What is up, you guys? It's your Snag Diamonds here again with another video. If it's the first time you're seeing my face on your screen, make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you have not seen my previous videos, my vlog, the vlog has a haul in it, so I know you guys like hauls, so check out that vlog if you haven't. My Bath and Body Works collection video, if you have not seen that, definitely check it out. It's the pocket bag holders collection video specifically. I need to do another perfume collection video too. That's gonna take a while, but I know I need to do a lot. I need to do another Juicy Couture collection video, another Juicy Couture wallet collection video, so it's a lot to do. But either way, my gift has finally came today. My boyfriend has got me this gift literally last month, but we both wasn't thinking to get something. By the time we remembered, it was like literally 2 days before, and you know, here it is right here. It's in this big old box. You can see how I'm gonna open this. And me, I normally, would buy gifts like a week or two early, but I don't know. I was so distracted by stuff last year that I just forgot. Oh, yes. And it comes with a dust bag. Oh, I am so happy for this. You guys, it's a Telfar bag. This is my second Telfar bag. If I don't know, I don't know if I can see. Can't really tell. No, it's on this side. So there's a gray Telfar bag right there. If I can see that small little gray one. That one is an Uggs collab. That one was the first one he got me. And now this one I'm excited for, because this is the collab with Moose Knuckles, which is a very high-end expensive brand. I want a coat from that brand so bad. Like the coat I want, I believe it's $1,500. I want that coat so bad. But y'all, this just brings me back to those times when I used to buy like luxury handbags, when I used to go to, the designer stores and get luxury bags and then walk out and feel all good and stuff. If I could, I would like to treat myself to a designer handbag for my birthday. My birthday's in March, but I always wanted a Chloe bag, but like the older style, which I would have to get that from Farfetch, or a Christian Louboutin bag. But yeah, if I get the Chloe bag from Farfetch, the style I'm looking for is like either between 800 and 1,000. That's the between. And then the Christian Louboutin one is like 2,000, which is like over my limit. I would usually go 1,000 to 1,500. That's like my limit when it comes to designer handbags if I'm buying them. But 2,000, that's a lot, But it's just a pretty bag, if it's still even on the site. But I was eyeing that bag for like a really long time, and I forgot about it. But time to open up. So I chose the red one, as you can see, and I'm loving it already, y'all. Yes. I remember seeing this on people's videos. I think Banana, I feel like she had a Telfar bag like this. I don't know if it was this color, but I feel like she did. But oh my god, you guys, it is so gorgeous. It is so pretty. Let me back up a little bit. That is so pretty. And it's like the puffer material, which I like, because these also really just be good for rain. And I have a red coat that would go exactly with this. It's my, what's the brand? Montclair. But I don't know if I wear red on red, because I'm not usually the type to wear red on red. So yeah, but so pretty. Now I like this puffer bag a lot. I have another puffer bag that's red. That's from, it's from Saks Off Fifth but website. But I forgot the name of it. I spent like close to $100 for it, I believe, but I regretted buying it. So, and I can't seem to sell that bag. Nobody wants to buy it, so I don't know. But she's so pretty. She doesn't have any feet. I don't even want to take it off this, y'all, because it's giving. Like, this is the inside. It is structured, so it's not like flimsy or anything. That's one thing I was a little bit worried about, because the UGG one is a bit flimsy, so you have to like put stuff in it for it to hold a shape. This one, you don't have to do that, thankfully. This comes in a lot of colors, like I said. I low-key like in the yellow. The black looks very nice. The royal blue will hit. The royal blue will hit, like. But yeah, she is so. I low-key want the summer colors. I'm not gonna hold y'all. But here is the tags. So you have that, and it says the name of it. So it's the medium puff shopper red, you guys, and it has that inside pocket right here. This is a nice like vacation bag. You can wear this to school bag, work bag. And oh yeah, it says the loose knuckles. I gotta get a coat from this brand. I gotta get a coat. But I feel like I would have to go to the store personally, because you know, with designer sizings, it could be a little bit different. So I don't want to end up spending that much money and get the wrong size, and then I gotta go through the whole thing of returning it and blah blah blah. But yeah, this doesn't have a zip. It's just a snap closure. But I still freaking love it. It is so pretty. I gotta make space for this if I do decide to keep it out the dust bag. If I do, I'm thinking of, I don't know if I can see. I can't even tell because the light is in my face. I can't even tell. Where am I looking at? Oh, here we go. So if y'all see that purple tote, the purple tote right there, the juicy purple tote, with the pink, I'm thinking about moving that somewhere else and putting this there. If y'all don't realize, this back section is like where I keep my designer bags, and then I have my, on the wall I do have my Marc Jacobs, my Coach bag there on the wall. So that's why I was thinking putting Telfar on top, you know, to keep it, you know, designer section, and then you know, my juicy, you know, scattered all over the place. But yeah, I just need a bookshelf, honestly, but it would look so pretty on a bookshelf just like this. But wow, so cute. I love it. I love it. I will show you guys pictures on how to wear this. Obviously you can wear it like this, which for the most part what I would do, and then as a crossbody you can wear it as well, which I don't know, I feel like wearing a big ass bag like this as a crossbody is stupid, so I wouldn't wear it like that. So yeah, but this could definitely fit a lot. It can definitely fit a lot in here. I would have them what fits in here, because that's what I used to do. If y'all don't know, I have a playlist. I'm gonna show y'all this playlist. I will link it below too, where when it came to like designer bags, not just designer bags, but I will show you guys ways you can wear it. Like especially my Gucci one, you can wear that 7 different ways. Even though that bag is small, y'all, that bag is small, but you can wear it 7 different ways. My Versace one, you can wear it, you can wear it crossbody. I think it's like 3 or 4 different ways you can wear that one. And I did one with Coach. So any bag that I had that I feel like it can be worn multiple ways, I will do a video on it. I will unbox it, you know, those type of stuff. So I think, and I also did comparison videos. Like the last one I did was Coach and Juicy, with the Ashton shoulder bag and the Juicy Couture. What is Juicy called there? I forgot what Juicy called there. But same thing I did with that. I could compare it to the Michael Kors one that I have too, that I got from, I got from Michael Kors website. The Michael Kors one looks like the Coach one as well. I could do comparison with those two in terms of quality wise, but I really like Michael Kors. You could wear a crossbody as well. It's just a Juicy one. It's only like a shoulder strap, a shoulder, like wear it as a shoulder. You only could wear it as a shoulder pretty much. So yeah. But anyways, I believe this is on the Telfar site. You can order it. But like I said, when he ordered this, I feel like it was more like a pre-order, because you know they didn't really have any in stock like that, but they still allow you to place your order and then they'll ship it, you know, when it's ready to be shipped. So if you do order from the site, for this size, I don't know what the other size is, for this size you might have to wait a couple weeks for it to show up, because they might not be available in stock. Same thing if you try to get it off of Amazon, it will say it's not in stock, but you can order it and they'll, you know, take the money from you when it's ready to be shipped. So yeah, but see, it's so pretty. But yeah, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing with me. I gotta do these types of videos more on my channel. Even comparison videos with, you know, other bags. Like if I feel like there's a bag that's duping a bag that you may be interested in, like y'all know Juicy dupes a lot of freaking bags. Chanel is one of them, but I can't really compare it to a Chanel bag because I don't have a Chanel bag. So what I can do is I can compare it to what bag I have that I can compare Juicy to. You know, I compared it to Coach already. I can compare it to the Coach mini, the Rowan bag, because Juicy does have, but I know, because I feel like the Juicy satchel bags are more so a dupe of the Louis Vuitton Speedy bags, which I want one of those bags so bad. Well, the Coach Lolita, I can compare that to the Juicy mini wristlets, which I call mini bags, and the Coach Heart bag I can compare to Juicy as well. The barrel with Juicy, it's like I have more Coach things I can compare to Juicy than I have with my other styles. Oh, the Marc Jacobs camera bag, I could compare that to a Juicy camera bag I have too, that looks similar. But yeah, you guys kind of get the idea. If y'all want me to do stuff like that, I can do stuff like that as well. Trying to not only just keep my content as Juicy based all the time, I want to like do what I used to do before, where I talk about other brands. So yeah. So anyways, I don't know why my stomach is hurting, y'all. I just literally ate a piece of chocolate and my stomach is hurting from it now. Probably shouldn't have ate that chocolate, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.